Hey guys, this is Ron with Impress Computers, and today we have a custom build. We're going to be using an AMD Ryzen 5 1600X with 8 gigs of RAM and RX 580. We're going to be using a solid state drive in a Corsair 270R case. Okay guys, now we're gonna wrap it up. We're gonna make sure the cable management in the back side of the computer is working just fine. I'm gonna be using regular cable ties, as you can see. Sometimes the motherboard will bring a pack of wraps right here, as you can tell. I'm gonna use that to make sure that everything's lined up and just looking just fine, just to avoid all the heat stuff. Also, if you look at the bottom, we got a bunch of cables that I'm gonna wrap up with the power supply wrappers that they come with. Right now it's a EVGA cable wrap, so that'll work just fine, just to put it all inside down there and make sure all the heat stuff and the airflow is working fine. So there you go. Okay guys, now we have finished the cable management job. As you can tell, everything's wrapped up on the back of it. I made sure that everything underneath on the power supply over there, it's wrapped up, and make sure it's all inside, so you got plenty of room to put all the cable stuff wrapped in. I used a bunch of cable ties, probably around 8. I did not use a wrap, I didn't need them. I usually use these cable ties and they work just fine. If you want to use the cable wraps, that'll work as well, but just to make sure that everything's wrapped up properly. If you have any questions about this cable ties, wrap, or custom build computers, you can give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.